you can see that this is where we initially started with 5 positions that were opened, then closed those positions as the markets rose, and then he went through a frenzy here of opening lots and lots of positions. It obviously identified that there was going to be some price action going on, and as you can see, that price action really happened. You can see it opened a lot of positions here and then closed them over a few hours here, and I'll show you when it did that, which I think is spectacular, the way it's done, the way that the programming has worked. So that's how it's basically the robot has worked over the past 2 days. Now at the moment we've got 2 open positions at the that are open, and you can see here that we've got a red and a blue button. Now if we click on the red button, you can see here it will sell now, and it will lose me 16 pence if I chose to manually close that position. And clearly I'm not going to do that. And then this blue button here is telling me that if I was to manually close that position, it's going to make me currently 54 pence. And again, you know, the computer clearly knows what it's doing, or the robot knows exactly what it's doing at the moment, so I'm just going to allow it to run. We then move on to the right hand side, and this is I suppose the history of the trading that's been going on. So again, it's starting at the bottom, so this is the first trade and this is the latest trade that has been closed. So you can see we've not been trading very long. Started on the 19th of February, it's the 20th of February today. And as you can see, it opened and closed 5 trades during the course of the 19th, which I was really pleased with the results. I mean, looking at these, like 2.9% return, 3% return, you know, really good, strong evidence that this robot is working exactly the way that we want it to work. And then this is the one that is really interesting, because while I was asleep, the robot literally opened up 10 positions and then close them. So I went to bed and without me doing anything at all, it's opened and closed 10 positions, and you can see that all happening here. And so when I woke up this morning, as you can see here, it's closing these positions around about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, and then a few more at 7 o'clock in the morning. So I woke up to find £19 basically in my account. And I'm really pleased with the fact that, like I say, it's working like a dream. I really don't need to have any interaction other than setting up the initial parameters, but other than that, you don't need to have any technical knowledge whatsoever. If you can literally click a mouse and click the green click the green button which says trade, then that is all you're going to really need to do.